everyone, how's it going? This is a Binance versus Kraken video and which one you should use. Now personally I have used Binance but I've not used Kraken, but we'll go over some of the features, advantages, disadvantages. So first of all, Binance has lower fees than Kraken compared to Kraken. Binance also has a lot more currencies than Kraken, and Binance has a lot more you know steps and verifications when it comes to security. Kraken, on the other hand, even though they require less steps for the verification, they offer more security. People go to Kraken mostly for their security and for the user safety, and also because Kraken allows you to stake. And then wallet is Trust Wallet by Binance, and you can see all of these things. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The pros for Binance is that low trading fees and wide variety of coins. The Binance cons would be less transparency and security measures. User interface may overwhelm beginners. Fewer options for US residents. Where on the other hand, for Kraken, it has an updated and shorter verification process. As I spoke earlier, 95% of assets are kept in cold storage, and it is accessible to all in only 48 US states, and beginners may face a learning curve, and it's not a standalone hot wallet. You can again read on Reddit, and some people are going for Binance, some people are going for Kraken. As you can see, they say Binance for variety and opportunities, but Kraken for transparency and security. Kraken, because there I can see when I bought a coin and for what price as well, but you can see that on Binance as well. This guy didn't know that. And then again, if we look at this comparison, you can see that Binance is at 9.8 and Kraken is for 9.6, and you see that all of these options, the pros and the cons, and then what do they allow. Active users in Binance is a lot more. So overall, I'd say if transparency around the security measures is not a big thing for you, go for Binance. But if it's a huge thing for you, then go for Kraken. Personally, I use Binance as well. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.